Imagine this: one machine, one company, and the entire tech world depends on it. If it ships late, factories wait. If it slows down, the world slows down. Because this machine doesn't make chips, it makes the chips that make everything else possible. AI servers, phones, cars, satellites, medicine, everything. It's called EUV lithography, and the company is ASML. And here's the part that feels like a movie. ASML didn't start as a giant. It started as a small Dutch team everyone could underestimate. For years, the promise sounded impossible. Light that precise? A machine that stable? At that scale? So they kept building anyway, quietly, while the rest of the world chased the next quick win. So let me ask you, how can a box of steel and glass be worth more than a skyscraper? Because the newest versions cost around $350 million. One machine. Here's the backroom truth. Don't call it a machine. It's the most expensive factory you can buy, in a box. And if you don't have it, you can still make chips, just not the ones that win. Now picture what that means. One bottleneck, one queue, one schedule that every chip maker has to respect. When the world says, we need more chips, this is the part nobody can speed up with money alone. If you can't print at the frontier, you can't compete at the frontier. Why is it irreplaceable? Because it's not one invention. It's an ecosystem built with partners into a system with roughly 100,000 parts. Teams spend years just learning how to install it, tune it, keep it stable. It's not plug and play, it's plug and pray. And the journey wasn't quick. ASML says EUV took about 17 years of R&D and billions in investment to become real. That's not building a product. That's surviving a decade and a half of failures, restarts, and not yet. To deliver one system, you're talking about dozens of huge crates and containers, plus cargo planes and trucks, plus specialists who fly in like it's a mission. So when people say, just copy it, copy what exactly? The optics? The software? The supply chain? The experience? The scars? And this is where it turns from engineering into power. If you control the printer, you control the pace. If the printer stalls, progress stalls. That's why access becomes political. Not because ASML is flashy, because it's foundational. In a world addicted to compute, this machine is closer to infrastructure than hardware. So here's the movie question. What happens if the world keeps betting everything on one printer? Because when AI moves fast, it looks like software. But the back room is physical, precision, factories, shipping, install teams, and a machine so rare it can reshape entire industries just by arriving. Final question. Is it safe for the planet to depend on one company for the most advanced chip printer? Or do we need a second one? Next episode, TSMC or data centers? Comment TSMC or DATA.